Okay, here's a demo of the new probe calibration window. As we can see, we have some of the same controls that we had on the previous probe calibration window over here on the left. But what we have over here on the right, which looks new, is a new GUI. There are two tabs. There's a general tab, which comes up immediately after the probe calibration, and a details tab. So we'll take a look at the general tab first. First of all, here are our control buttons. If you want to move on to the next window, that's okay, or of course the recalibration. This window here will tell you if there are any issues which have been noted below by the diagnostic engine. If this is okay, then normally this would be in green and it would say okay or okay to proceed. And then here we have some numbers like the cross-channel pressure difference, which we normally want to be under 6 dB. Our length iteration errors, which we want to be under 1 in both channels. And based on the numbers here and also the numbers calculated internally, we have some things here in the bug locator, some things which you could see which might be possible issues, such as the amp may be off, the ER10B preamp may be off, check your speakers, or just generally the pressure is too low. And there's kind of a summation over here about what some of the main problems are, the interchannel difference being too high. Now we'll take a look at the Details tab briefly, and that'll just take a second to load up. And as you can see, we have the source impedance and source pressure graphs that we had in the previous version. So these will not automatically come up, but you can access them easily by clicking on Details. So with that, then we can move on to the next window.